Zed Wild here over in Málaga at the airport, near the airport. Press subscribe for more airport videos and more planes coming into land. Nice evening landing here. Don't know if you can see the plane yet. It's coming closer. There it is. There it goes. And there's a train. And there's an automobile. See the automobile? I don't know if you saw it, there's another one there. So that's what you call planes, trains and automobiles. And you can even add mountains onto that. Because over there is very big mountain, La Maroma. That's actually 2,000 meters high. About approximately. Big mountain. And these are quite big mountains over here too, quite far off.